Good morning, student. I am going to explain you about data handling. First, I want to explain you what is data. Data. What is data? Any one of you? What is data? A group of information is called data. A group of information is called data. सूचनाओं के समूह को डाटा कहा जाता है। जैसे मैं आपके क्लास में आया, मैंने आपसे पूछा है बताओ A1 कितने हैं, B1 कितने हैं, C1 कितने हैं, D1 कितने हैं। A1 कितने हैं पूरे क्लास में। A1 सपोज दैट A1 10 है, B1 20 है, C1 40 है, D कितने हैं 10 स्टूडेंट हैं। That is data which I got by the class. Data means information about class is called data. Information about student, here is information about student is called data. Data means collection of information is called data. Data means collection of information. Collection of information is called data. Collection of information is called data. सूचनाओं के समूह को डाटा कहा जाता है। टाइप ऑफ डाटा, types of data. Data are two types: primary data and secondary data. Primary data and secondary data. Primary data information which is got by direct source is called primary data. Information which is got by direct source is called primary data. जैसे मैं क्लास में गया, मैंने बच्चों से पूछा बेटा मैंने मैथ का एग्जाम लिया है, कितने बच्चे ऐसे हैं जो A1 हैं, A1 10 है, B1 20 है, C1 40 है, देखो D जो है 10 है। ये क्लास का जो है मैथ का मार्क का जो समूह है दैट इज प्राइमरी डाटा। दैट इज प्राइमरी डाटा। डाटा which is get by direct source is called primary data. Data which is get by get by direct source data which is get by direct source is called primary data. For example, marks of maths in a class test. Marks of maths in a class marks of math in a class is called primary data. Now I explain you about secondary data. Secondary data which is taken by newspaper, radio or TV is called secondary data. Data which is taken by indirect is called secondary data. Data which is taken by take by indirect source, data which is taken by indirect source, data which is taken by indirect source is called, data which is taken by indirect source is called secondary data. Data which is taken by indirect source is called secondary data. Data which is taken by indirect source is called secondary data. For example, data taken by newspaper, radio, TV is called secondary data. For example, data taken by radio, newspaper, data taken by newspaper, data which is taken by newspaper, radio or TV by indirect source is called secondary data. Now I explain you about पिक्टोग्राफ, बार ग्राफ और हिस्टोग्राम के बारे में मैं आपको बताऊंगा. आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू अबाउट पिक्टोग्राफ. What is pictograph? Pictograph means express information on the basis of figure. Express information on the basis of figure is called pictograph. For example, if there are in a garden number of mango trees, mango is equal to 40, apple is equal to 30, orange is equal to 20, lemon is equal to 50. How you explain it by pictograph? How you explain this information by pictograph? Here is a question. There are 40 mangoes, 30 apples, orange 20, lemons 50. How you explain it by pictograph? See here. Here you write one circle is equal to 10 trees. One circle is equal to 10 trees. One circle is equal to 10 trees. Here is mango. Here is 40 mango. Here you write mango. First question, mango. Here you write mango. Mango is equal to 40. Mango is equal to 40. Here 10 4 ja 40. Here 10 4 ja 40. Here you write 4 circle. Here one circle 10, 10 20, 10 30, 10 40. It become 40. Apple is equal to 30. Apple is equal to 30. 10 3 ja 30. 10 3 ja 30. Here you draw 3 circle. Here 10, 10 20 and 10 30. Apple is equal to 30. Orange is equal to 20. Here 10 2 ja 20. Here you draw double circle 10 10 20. Next, lemon is equal to 50. Lemon is equal to 50. 10 5 ja 50. Here you draw 5 circle. Here you draw 5 circle. Here 1 10, 10 20, 10 30, 10 40, 10 50. In this way you express your ideas about mangoes are 10, 10 20, 10:30, 10:40, there are 40 mangoes in the garden. Apple are here 10, 10:20, 10:30, apple are 30. Apple are 30 and orange 10, 10, 20, orange are 20. Orange are 20. Lemon 10, 10, 20, 10, 30, 10, 40, 10, 50, orange are 50. In this way, you express your idea and draw pictograph and solve your question. I am going to explain you about bar graph. How you draw bar graph? How you draw bar graph? Here is 0. Here all number is divisible by 10. Here 90, 80, 70, 90, 50, 60, 100. All number is divisible by 10. So you take 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mark. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mark. You take here 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mark. And draw your bar graph. Here you write 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. ठीक है? See here. A student get mark in math 90, in English 80, in science 70, in Hindi 90, in SST 50, in GK 60, in computer 100. In math 90 mark. How you draw it here? See here. In math 90, here is 90, here you make a rectangle. In front of 90, here 90 marks in math. Here 90 marks in math. Here English 80. Here English 80. Here you write 80 marks. 80 marks in English. 80 marks in English. Next, science 70. Science 70 here. 70. In front of 70, you draw a rectangle. 70 mark in science. 70 mark in science. Here Hindi 90. Here you also in front of 90 draw a rectangle. Draw a rectangle. Hindi 90. SST 50. Here you in front of 50 draw second rectangle. In front of 50 you draw second rectangle. SST 50. GK 60. In front of 60 you draw another rectangle. In front of 60 you draw another rectangle, that is GK. In computer he got 100 mark. In computer he got 100 marks. Here in computer he got 100 mark. In computer he got 100 mark. In front of computer you write here 100. Here you write name of subject. Here you write names of subject. Names of subject. Here you write first subject math. Second subject English. Write English. Here math. And name of other subject you write from this table. And name of other subject you write from this table. Here you write mark guards in. Marks guards in different subject. Marks guards in different subject. Marks guards in different subject. Here you write 1 centimeter is equal to 10 marks. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 marks. See here. Here you write name of subject. मैं आपको एक बात और बता देना चाहता हूं, बार ग्राफ और हिस्टोग्राम में क्या डिफरेंस होता है. देखो बार ग्राफ में जो रेक्टेंगल आप बना रहे हैं उसके बीच में जगह होती है। देखिए आपका बार ग्राफ है, देखिए बीच में जगह है। रेक्टेंगल, दो रेक्टेंगल के बीच में जगह होती है, लेकिन जो हिस्टोग्राम होता है वहां बेटा रेक्टेंगल के बीच में जगह नहीं होती। आपसे पूछा जाता है कि व्हाट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन बार ग्राफ एंड हिस्टोग्राम। बार ग्राफ एंड हिस्टोग्राम, व्हाट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन बार ग्राफ एंड हिस्टोग्राम, क्योंकि हिस्टोग्राम भी इसी तरह का सेम होता है। हिस्टोग्राम भी इसी तरह का सेम होता है, उसमें रेक्टेंगल से रेक्टेंगल मिला होता है, रेक्टेंगल से रेक्टेंगल मिला होता है। इसलिए मैं इस बात से आपको सावधान कर देना चाह रहा हूं कि कहीं अगर आपके सामने ऐसा क्वेश्चन आ रहा है कि व्हाट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन बार ग्राफ एंड हिस्टोग्राम, आगे नेक्स्ट में अभी आपको हिस्टोग्राम में आपको बताऊंगा हिस्टोग्राम के बारे में। हिस्टोग्राम में ये रेक्टेंगल एक दूसरे से सटे हुए होते हैं। आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू अबाउट हिस्टोग्राम, हाउ यू ड्रा हिस्टोग्राम। Here is a question. Here is a question. How you draw histogram if there are 40 mango trees in a garden? Mango is equal to 40. Mango is equal to 40. Mango is equal to 40. Orange is equal to 80. Lemon is equal to 70. Lemon is equal to 70. Apple is equal to 90. Apple is equal to 90. Lychee is equal to 60. How you explain it by histogram? Here you draw histogram. See here how you draw histogram. See here, here is 0. Here you write 1 centimeter is equal to 10 trees. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 trees. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 trees. Here you write 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. See here how you draw histogram. See here how you draw histogram. How you draw histogram. See here, mango is equal to 40. Here you write 40 mango. Here you make a rectangle 40. Mango 40. Orange 80. Here orange 80. Here in front of 80 you make another rectangle orange 80. Next lemon 70. Here are in front of 70 you draw 70. Lemon 70. Apple 90. Here apple in front of 90 you write 90. Apple is equal to 90. Lychee 60. Here in front of 60 you draw 60. Lychee 60. Under this rectangle first is mango. Here you write mango. In second rectangle you write orange. ORANGE. Second rectangle you write orange. Third you write lemon. Fourth you write apple. Fifth you write लीची, fifth you write lychee, fifth you write lychee. See here you write names of fruits, here you write names of fruits, here you write names of fruits, here you write number of trees in the garden, number of trees in the garden, number of trees in the gardens. Here you write 1 centimeter is equal to, here you write 1 centimeter is equal to 10 trees. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 trees. All of you see here. I repeat it. Here you take two axes. On first axis you write name of fruits. Second axis you write number of trees in the garden. Here you take class interval 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Here number of mangoes is 40. Here number of mangoes is 40. Here you write in front of 40 and you draw a rectangle and here you write number of mangoes 40 and color it. You need to color it by different color. Here you color it number of mangoes 40. Here orange is 80. Here in front of orange you draw 80 and here you write orange and color it. Here you color it by different color. Orange is 80 and lemon is 70. Here in front of lemon you write 70 and color it. Lemon is 70. Next apple is 90. Here apple in front of 90 you draw and the rectangle. Here you write apple and color it. Lychee is 60. In front of lychee, in front of 60 you draw another rectangle and write there lychee and color it. See here बच्चों, एक बात मैं आपको बता देना चाहता हूं कि ये जो हिस्टोग्राम है और हिस्टोग्राम और जो बार ग्राफ होता है दोनों में डिफरेंट ये होता है कि देखिए जो आपने हिस्टोग्राम बनाया है इसके बीच में गैप नहीं होता है, इसके बीच में गैप नहीं होता है। देखो यहां जो भी रेक्टेंगल है वो आपस में सटे हुए हैं, लेकिन अभी आपने बार ग्राफ बनाया था वहां के जो रेक्टेंगल थे उनके बीच में डिस्टेंस था। यहां पर देखो जितने रेक्टेंगल हैं सब सटे हुए हैं, उनके बीच में डिस्टेंस नहीं है। इसलिए अगर एग्जाम में आपसे पूछा जाए कि हिस्टोग्राम बनाइए तो आप इस तरह बनाएंगे, अगर कहा जाए कि बार ग्राफ बनाइए तो बीच में जो है गैप दे करके जगह खाली छोड़ करके आप अलग अलग रेक्टेंगल बनाएंगे। नाउ थैंक्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर सब्सक्राइब दिस वीडियो।